We begin tonight's news at the House of Representatives, where the proposed 2013 national budget was submitted today. Budget and Management Secretary Florencio Abad personally presented the budget documents, including President Aquino's budget message, to Speaker Feliciano Belmonte Jr. and other leaders of the lower chamber. This report from Freddy Abando.
As promised, President Benigno Aquino III submitted the proposed 2014 national budget of 2.268 trillion pesos to the House a day after delivering his State of the Nation address. Budget Secretary Florencio Abad presented the budget to Speaker Feliciano Belmonte, which will be reviewed by the Appropriations Committee, chaired by Congressman Isidro Ungab. It's 13.1% higher than this year's budget of 2.006 trillion pesos. It's a performance-informed budget which presents how every peso is spent by government department or agency. Speaker Feliciano Belmonte vowed the House will pass the budget in record time for the President's signing by December of this year.
We hope to pass this following the same pattern, the same commitments we have made in the 3 years of the 15th Congress. We hope to follow the same patterns.
This year we try to put some story behind the numbers and the words. And that's why, if you will note the budget this year, it will show the mandates of the agency, when they were formed, their objectives and key result areas. And then it will show the outputs and the outcomes that the agencies are supposed to deliver in exchange for the budget that they will receive. And those outputs and outcomes will be qualified by performance indicators. In other words, how do we know that those outputs and outcomes have in fact been attained?
Social services will cover education, health, social protection, and housing will get the biggest share with 842 billion pesos. To boost economic expansion, 590 billion pesos was allocated. Debt servicing will amount to 377.6 billion pesos. Education increased by 14.9% to 336 billion pesos. More spending by the DPWH for infrastructure increased by 40.1% to reach 213.5 billion. DILG's budget is 135.1 billion pesos. Defense went up to 123.1 billion. Health recorded a 45.5% hike to hit 87.1 billion pesos. So with agriculture with 80.7 billion pesos. The conditional cash transfer program also increased. The record 62.6 billion pesos will cover 3 programs. The regular CCT will cost 48.3 billion pesos. 2 billion will cover homeless families, and the extended CCT for children in high school will cost 12.3 billion pesos to benefit 10.2 million children.
The CCT is guided by what is called the National Household Targeting Survey, and all the other social services programs like public basic education, housing, are also guided by a very specific identification of the poor and where they belong in areas where the incidence of poverty is highest or the magnitude of poor is highest. You will see the proportionate distribution of these anti-poverty measures.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.